Cinch Connectivity Solutions Johnson 1.0mm connectors and adapters provide high-quality connections for market-leading applications from DC to 110 GHz, such as 5G testing, signal integrity measurements, and other high-speed R&D or semiconductor test and measurement applications. The connectors are offered in panel mount, spark plug, and clamp-on end launch versions that don't require soldering and facilitate easy removal and reuse. The adapters are available in same and mixed gender versions and have a rugged stainless steel body. All Johnson 1.0mm connectors and adapters feature a gold-plated beryllium copper contact and are precision manufactured for consistent electrical performance with a max VSWR of 1.38 to 1 and insertion loss less than 0.6 dB. They're rated for at least 500 mating cycles for maximum durability in applications that require frequent mating and unmating.